Hi everyone, so I'm back just for a very quick video. I had this on sale. I've got two of them. Well, I have got two of them. One of them I've now taken out of my shop. One is still available in my shop. I have already got a full video on these. I'm going to be giving one of these away, so I'm doing that over on my coffee shop, which I will put a link to that below in the description box. And anyone who buys me a coffee over the weekend, which today's date is the 20th of October 2022, and I will close this on Monday the 24th of October 2022, and I will pick a winner. So if you want to be in with a chance and you fancy buying me a coffee, then head over to my, I think it's only, I don't know if it's £1 or £2 for a coffee. Could be £1, £1 I think, maybe £2, I can't remember. So yeah, so if you want to be in with a chance of this, I'll just show you quickly. It's just a little journal starter kit. I've got a tutorial on this as well, but what I will do is I will put the link to this whole video below as well. It's no point in doing another video on it. So yeah, all the information will be below, and thanks for watching. Bye.